It's so hot.
Hey guys, this is Eddie with FlexArm. Recently we had a prospect reach out to us wanting us to run a tap test for him. The application was a 7/8-10 form tap inside of a coupling made out of 4320 hardened steel. So as some of you may know, form tapping requires a lot more torque than standard UNC, UNF cutting does, which had led us to test with the GH-60. So changing variables like the tapping oil we were using, the torque settings on the holder, and the RPMs on the arm were all to help prove out this solution to the prospect. They needed a repeatable, dependable process to stop tapping in his mill and maximize throughput in the shop. So as you can see, this was no challenge for the FlexArm. And if you or anyone you know has a test you would like us to run, reach out to us at flexarminc.com.